Hello, I am Shikha Yadav. You're watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with the latest updates. UPL has introduced their Stewardship program, Passporte Verde, meaning Green Passport, designed for Latin America agricultural exporters and farmers. Across the world, offers product and services to agricultural exporters and farmers that would enable them to meet lower residue levels required by international law. Dhanuka Agritech has launched their product 1Kill in Ujjain. 1Kill is a post-emergent systematic herbicide that controls narrow-leaf weeds as well as broad-leaf weeds. Once 1Kill is absorbed by the onion crop's foliage and root system, it provides longer residual control to most of the weeds. Bajaj Auto has entered into an agreement with Ananda Dairy Limited for supplying Maxima cargo vehicles under Swarozgar Yojana in the northern part of India. The vehicles under this partnership would be financed by PSU Bank and State Bank of India at the lowest rate of interest. Ananda Dairy is a leading dairy and food manufacturing company in India which is instrumental in providing dairy products at par with international standards. Kubota Corporation is paying Rs 1,873 to increase its stake in Escorts Limited to 14.99% from 9.09%. Escorts has claimed that this investment at Rs 2,000 per share comes at a premium of 29.5% from its floor price of Rs 1,544.16. However, proxy advisory firm Stakeholders Empowerment Services has said that Kubota is not paying any premium for increasing its stake in the Indian tractor manufacturer and investors should be against the proposal. Syngenta Group Ventures has invested in Indian agtech startup Jai Kisan to enable financial access for India's smallholders. This partnership will scale up Jai Kisan's rural fintech full-stack platform to help farmers access financing at lower costs. APART has established the first of its kind initiative, the Assam AgriFin Zamhar, to support ecosystem mechanisms in the agricultural domain of the state. The fund has been conceptualized by the Assam Agribusiness and Rural Transformation Project, a World Bank finance project of the Assam government under ARIA Society. Farmers are producing record-breaking yields under the guidance of Bharat Krushi Seva using crop sensing technology, which makes it easier for farmers to make decisions as well as manage pests and diseases on their crops. Bharat Krushi Seva is an agriculture-related mobile application with an intention to help Indian farmers with all the required information related to agriculture. Universe Exports is promoting and uniting farmers in Varanasi of UP by helping them grow healthy, hygienic and weed-free crops by sustainable farming with minimum tillage practices under favorable as well as drastic weather. Universe Exports is a company procuring and supplying materials from farmers, farmer-producing companies and farmer-producer organizations from all over Maharashtra and certified manufacturing companies. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address a conference on natural farming on December 16, in which state governments are also scheduled to participate. The conference assumes significance in the backdrop of record chemical fertilizer consumption in 2020 to 2021 and a substantial increase in subsidy following surge in global prices. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.